there, baby. Come and put my body.
Hello and welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the fruits and vegetables we got for the week. Okay, this is supposed to last us for about 7 to 10 days. And that's because we consume a lot of fruits and vegetables, guys. So I'm going to be showing you everything we got. In the meantime, I'm going to be offloading it while I tell you the reason behind all of this. Meanwhile, we also have some bread from ShopRite. I got 2 loaves of bread. We usually consume about 2 loaves of bread per week. In the future, I'm going to be making my own bread. It's just because I don't have the time, because it's healthy, and we're going to be making our own bread using alternative methods which are much more healthy for the body. I hardly eat the bread. Most times it's for the children. And yeah, so all these are for a family of 6. My name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to manage your home on a budget. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're already a subscriber, I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to you for all your love and your support. I truly appreciate it. If you're watching my videos, you know I've mentioned a couple of times that World Health Organization recommends that we eat at least 5 fruits and 5 vegetables daily. And that's really our goal. And of course, it's supposed to include some nuts and some herbs as well. But I'm going to be making a separate video for that, guys. So for the purpose of this video, we're doing a lot of fruits and vegetables. We try to get the affordable ones so that it will be easy on our budget. Everything here costs about 35,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken, because these fruits and vegetables have become more and more pricey day by day. That is the motivation behind gardening, even though it's also a form of relaxation for me. Meanwhile, these tomatoes we don't normally buy every week. I like to buy in bulk. I just got this because I wanted to get in small quantity some fresh tomatoes to put in the refrigerator, and we're going to be using that for our fried eggs, including salads, or anything at all we need fresh tomatoes. So these tomatoes we buy monthly. I usually buy in bulk. I have some even sitting in my freezer because we're preparing for the rainy season. I just wanted to buy this to add to use up pending when we start using those ones. I have some cucumber here. A basket of tomatoes costs 3,500 naira. This cucumber costs 500 naira each. The green peas, 2 for 500 naira. I have some eggs here. A crate of egg is 6,000 naira for 1 crate. We usually take 1 crate for about 1 week or 10 days, 2 weeks or so. Green bell peppers cost me about 3,000 naira for everything. Carrots, 2,000 naira. And then I have my green beans, 500 naira. Spring onions, 500. In fact, spring onions was jara, but it's supposed to be like 500 naira because I didn't get all of this from the market. I didn't go to the market. I got it from these people who sell fruits and vegetables nearby. Lettuce, everything is 500 naira. And then I have this plantain which I got for 5,000 naira. I'm even crying like this because things paining me. Sweet potatoes, 2,000 naira. No, I got half basket, so it's 1,000 naira. Banana is 1,000 when we started eating from it. Watermelon is 3,000. Pawpaw is 1,500. Ginger, 1,000. Sugarcane, 500. Oranges, 2,500. Pineapple, 1,800. And then I have my garden eggs for 500 naira, cabbage for 1,000 naira, and then these mangoes I got 4 for 1,000 naira. Yeah, some of them are not very ripe. I didn't buy the ones that are very ripe so that it can last me a bit. And then I have my apples that I got for 400 naira each, guys. All this is expected to last for us for the next 7 to 10 days, except of course tomatoes. I made a video before now on how to prepare, wash, and store fruits and vegetables. I'm going to be linking that to this video. So if you've enjoyed this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments below. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye.